wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate.
Your exams and less time worrying about tuition fees. Next is
Hello guys, hope you are doing good job. Today I am going to discuss about Motor Vehicles Act 1988, Motor Vahan Adhiniyam 1988. It is a very important act and we should know, and it is also very kind of complex and major because it has the more sections and clauses and articles defined by the law. So I will give you the one example. So when I'm talking motor vehicle acts, it will come all the vehicles like a bikes, car, commercial bikes, private bikes, public bikes, agriculture or special kinds of bikes. It will apply all the rules and regulations. Okay, so I'm giving you one example. Another person was there. He has the vehicles, and he was crossing the line. Which line? Railway crossing line. Very confidently. So daily he was doing that. So other person was seeing him. He was telling why you are crossing the railway line. Maybe you will be, you can victim injured or you can be dead also. You don't have any kind of fear of or risk of life. So he was telling, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. It doesn't matter. So this kind of one advertisement, I was seeing that in the Doordarshan, in the national TV, I think, in the college life. And I am not seeing now that advertisement, and that advertisement I'm giving the ideas. And so the person was crossing the railway line. He was going office and Delhi. He was telling it doesn't matter, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. And so the person was continuously was telling, do not do these things. It may impact your life and maybe you can be heavy or major injured by the train, or chances to be you can be get death also. So that person was telling, he was acting like that. What you are telling, man? I am crossing Delhi. What is happening to me? You see me, I'm okay, I'm fine. It didn't matter. You can also apply. So other person who was telling him, he laughed. This person is a fool and also making a fool us. He will teaching us to cross the line. He will go, he will take us also to in the heaven, in the life. So that person is again is crossing. One day what happens, suddenly he was trying to cross the line and suddenly the train ran over that person. On the spot, he got death. And the person, other person saw this, and he was telling that, do not do, it will impact your life. And what advertisement, what it was giving, there was the one frame in the wall, and in the frame in the photo, they was wearing the mala, and in the photo that person was telling, भाई it does matter, एक फर्क तो पड़ता है भाई. So he laughed and he went to the out of this world. And other person also get like we should also take care for that. Also, this example of like that you should be take care that yes, whoever come in this world, everyone has to go, but we should be precautions. We should be care for that, and we should be safe driving. And I will introduce about the Motor Vehicle Act section and history and all parts, and also most of the people confused about the third party insurance. So when you're talking about third party insurance, so people understand that insurance I have done, any injury, any things will happen, then compensation will give the government. So that is not like that. There is a third party insurance, that is a comprehensive on insurance, and that also we should understand what is third party, what is first party, what is second party, and what is own insurance, and what are the compensations. So those things next will be discussed. Yeah. Hello guys. So today we are discussing about the Motor Vehicle Act. So the Motor Vehicle Act is an act of the Parliament of India which regulates all aspects of road transport vehicles. The Act provides in depth details the legislative provisions regarding licensing of drivers, conductors, registrations of motor vehicles, control of motor vehicles through permits, special provisions relating to state transport undertakings, traffic regulations, insurance liability, offences and penalties, etc. For exercising the legislative provisions of the Act, the Government of India made the Central Motor Vehicle Rules 1989. Territory, real extent, whole of India including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Enacted by Parliament of India, enacted in 1988, signed by Ramaswamy Venkataraman. So who was the person? So Swami Venkataraman is 4th December 1910. He was born on 27 January 2009. He got a death, and also known as the R. Venkataraman, was an Indian lawyer, Indian independence activist and politicians who served as a union minister and 8th president of India. Commenced by the 1 July 1989, amended by Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019 and related legislations, Motor Vehicle Act 1914. Next is the important sections are there. This is the important section, section 142, 144, that is come the chapter 10, and dealt with the no fault liabilities. And this is section 145 to 164, chapter 11, dealt with insurance in third party claims. And section 165 to 76, chapter 12, goes on the deal with the claim tribunals. So we'll see this party, these tribunals and the liabilities. And this is only important sections, having the different kind of other sections also, but we are seeing this major which are used most of the time. And there is a mandate under section 3 of the Act 1988 that all driver must have a valid driving license and no vehicle can be driven unless it is registered under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988. The preamble of the Act aims to integrate and update motor vehicle legislations requiring all drivers and conductors to obtain a license and then drive a vehicle. Section 41(7) of the Motor Vehicle Amendment Act 2019, hereafter referred to as the Act 2019, provides that the vehicle registration certificate is valid for a time period of 15 years from the date of registration and can be renewed. So next is objectives of the Motor Vehicle Act. 1988. The Act of the 1988 was passed for the purpose of solving the most prominent issues mentioned below. First, implementing strict procedures for issuing licenses and determining their validity period. Second, ensuring road safety by regulating the transportation of hazardous and explosion materials and enforcing pollution control measures. Third, manage the rapid increase in the number of personal and commercial vehicles in the country. Four is increase the amount of compensation available to the victims of hit and run accident. Remove the time limit for traffic accident victims to file compensation claims. Applications for compensation. How the persons will apply the compensations? Who is the policy holder? Section 166 of the Act 1988 describes the procedure for payment of compensation. It states that an application for compensation can be filed to the motor accident claim tribunal by an injured person, the owner of the property damaged or involved in the accident, the legal representative of the deceased persons. Deceased person means whose person is dead, who died in a road accident. Third, authorized agent representing the injured persons, or the legal representatives of the deceased person who died in the accident. So these are the criteria. The application for compensation shall be submitted on behalf of all legal representatives of the deceased persons. So dangerous driving. Section 144 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 deals with the instances of driving a motor vehicle dangerously. It states that any person who drives a motor vehicle at a speed or in a manner dangerous to the public, considering all these circumstances, including the nature, conditions, and use of the place where the vehicle is driven, as well as the amount of traffic present at that time. So in such an offense occurs, the person shall be punished for the first time with the imprisonment for 6 months or fine that shall not be less than 1000 rupees and may extend up to 5000 rupees, or with both for the second or the subsequent times if the same offense is committed within 3 years of the previous offense, then with an imprisonment of 2 years, a fine 10,000 rupees, or both. So this was the rule and regulations. So first we'll understand, there will be first is, this is very important, third party insurance, correct? This is a comprehensive, you can say all own insurance. What is the difference between these both? So third party insurance, that's the government giving a third party insurance. Name is third party. So who is a third party? And this is the comprehensive like any other insurance company who is giving the benefit. And this is the difference is what? This will give you the third party insurance, will give you the third person. So who is a third person? Who is a victim? Victim. Who got accident from other persons. So this who is the and first, and this will be, this will not cover the bike holder who takes the third party. Got my point? So, and this will cover like any your bike or any car or any third party commercial vehicles. If something is stolen or kind of damages or any kind of personal injuries happened for first party, this is a first party, this is a third party. Who is a second party? Second party is the guys, this second party who is giving the insurance. So third party is the like A is the person and B. A is a bike holder. He is a other. He took the third party insurance. So he will not receive the benefit of the third party insurance. Third party insurance, this guys will get benefit, gets benefits. And this first party, this is the insurance of the first party, own insurance. So this person will get benefit A here. And this third party will get benefit for this B, who victim. His vehicle and any body like things to be get injured or death, anything. So these guys will be get benefited. I hope it will be understandable. It is a basic understanding, but it has a more. So not covered all things, which is the important parts we have discussed it. You have to research it, you have to go and understand it. Thank you.